Create a new folder inside your Obsidian Vault called Projects by right-clicking in the File Explorer on the left sidebar, selecting New Folder, typing Projects, and pressing Enter. Open that folder, click the New Note button, and give the note the exact name of your project, something like Website Redesign or Marketing Campaign Q3. Press Enter to create it, then click into the note and start typing a main heading called Project Overview, followed by a short paragraph that explains why this project exists and what you expect to achieve. This single note is now your project's headquarters, and you can keep every piece of related information right here instead of scattering tasks, meeting notes, and research across different apps or folders. What you've just built is a project note, and it's one of the most effective ways to manage any kind of work inside Obsidian. Whether you're handling a business initiative, a software development sprint, a school assignment, event planning, or even a home renovation, having one dedicated note gives you a central place to monitor progress, track deadlines, organize resources, and remember important decisions. The real power comes from the fact that this note doesn't need to hold every single detail. It acts as a dashboard that links out to other notes in your vault, creating a connected knowledge base where everything supports everything else. After you've written your project overview, add another heading called Project Information. Under that, record the project owner, the start date, the target completion date, and the current status, things like planning, in progress, or complete. These fields give you an instant snapshot every time you open the note. Next, create a heading called Objectives and list your primary goals as bullet points. Be specific. Instead of improve the website, write increase homepage load speed to under 2 seconds. Include measurable outcomes whenever you can, because that makes it easier to tell when you've actually succeeded. Right below that, add a heading named Success Criteria. This is where you define the conditions that determine the project is truly finished. For example, all pages pass accessibility audit, or client approves final wireframes. Then create a timeline heading and record important milestones and major deadlines in chronological order. Seeing your timeline laid out in a single note helps you spot scheduling conflicts before they become problems. Now add a priority tasks heading and create a checklist using a dash, space, and square brackets. Mine's back. Add your first task, then additional tasks beneath it. Break large tasks into smaller subtasks. Instead of redesign homepage, write create homepage wireframe. Design hero section. Write headline copy. Group related tasks together and add estimated due dates if that helps you stay on track. Checklists give you that satisfying sense of progress as you check things off, and they make it easy to see what's left at a glance. Finally, add a resources heading and list websites, document links, or any reference material you'll need. You can paste in URLs or, even better, create internal links to other notes in your vault using double square brackets, like but. This keeps your project note lean while still giving you one-click access to every supporting document. A common mistake is trying to cram every detail directly into the project note itself. Instead, treat it as your control center. For example, after a team meeting, create a separate meeting note and link it back here. During your daily work, record accomplishments in your daily note and connect it to the project note with a simple link. At the end of the week, your weekly note can summarize progress and link forward. Over time, these connections build a complete, searchable history of the project from start to finish. If you do this regularly, your project note becomes a living document that evolves alongside your work. As the project grows, you can add new milestones, update task lists, record decisions, document challenges, and include links to research. Obsidian saves everything automatically, so you never lose a detail. To speed things up, create a reusable template that already includes sections for overview, objectives, timeline, tasks, resources, meetings, and even spaces for risks and lessons learned. That way, every new project starts with the same organized structure, and you save yourself 10 minutes of setup each time. Over months and years, these project notes turn into a valuable archive. When you start a similar project later, you can look back at what worked, what didn't, how long tasks really took, and what you wish you'd known. You're not just storing information, you're building a long-term knowledge base that makes each future project easier and smarter. To keep things manageable, create a dedicated projects folder before you start, and as the number of projects grows, organize them into subfolders like active, completed, and archived, all by category such as work, personal, or school. Give every project note a descriptive, meaningful title so you can find it instantly with search or links. Update the note after each meeting or major decision instead of waiting for milestones, and make full use of Obsidian's linking system to connect it to daily notes, weekly notes, research, and templates. With a project note in place, you'll never have to hunt through scattered files again. You'll always know exactly where everything lives. If you found this helpful, consider saving the video so you can come back to these steps whenever you kick off a new project.